Hey everyone, and welcome to a very special video. So I was provided with a brand new Innovator Display 16 graphic tablet from XP Pen, and I'm really looking forward to show you what's in the box and how I work with it. So the first thing you see is the 15.6 inches graphic display. It's quite big. I didn't expect that it's that big, but I love a big screen to work on it because it's healthy for your eyes, it's good for your balance with your hand and your arm, so I love it. It comes with a power adapter and with 3 different adapters, and luckily also for a German one. Okay, I think that's everything so far in the box. So I just need to arrange it nicely for the frame, and let's have a look what else we have. So here we have the 3-in-1 USB cable and also an extension cord just in case the wire is not long enough. So what else do we have? Let's have a look. Oh, we have like a little thank you message, and it comes with a quick guide in several languages, which is explained really well and really easy, and it makes it for you quick to start. Then we do have a pen holder. Pen holder is super if you're traveling, and it contains a battery-free stylus and also a stand. That's amazing! And also don't forget the 8 extra nibs for your pen. And for everyone who is taking their graphic tablet to the office, you also do have an extra portable stand, which is really easy to handle and to adjust. And to keep your graphic tablet clean, you do have a cleaning cloth, and for a smoother drawing experience, also a black drawing glove. So now let's have a look and open this treasure and remove the foil. So the whole dimension of the graphic tablet is 443.27 to 256.45 to 9 millimeters. So this is a really thin graphic tablet, which is amazing because if you have a really thick graphic tablet, then the glass surface which is normally on top of the electronic surface, is too far away for the pencil tip, which means it's not exact enough when you draw on it. So this is really beneficial. So I connected the graphic tablet already off camera because it was super quickly and super easy. And then you just go to xppen.com and download your driver. For all Windows and Mac users, there's definitely a driver for you to download, and the whole procedure is super easy to get started really quickly and start drawing. The Innovator 16 comes with 8 shortcut keys. The perfect amount, not too little, not too many. I just love them. It just gave me the right amount of all of these shortcuts I basically need. And what I enjoy the most is actually the mechanic and virtual wheel. So where you can actually put a shortcut for scrolling or for zooming in and out. Let's have a look at the side of the graphic tablet. So beside the on and off button, you also have the possibility to adjust the brightness of the screen. So you can increase or decrease the brightness of the tablet depending on the light in your room, if you're working in the sunshine or in the dark. And here's what I also appreciate the most. With purchasing the Innovator 16, you're also purchasing a portable graphic tablet and to work from wherever you would like to work, if it's in the park or if it's in another office. And this was the unpackaging of the Innovator Display 16 graphic tablet by XP Pen. I hope you enjoyed what you've seen so far, but there's more coming in the next couple of minutes because I drew an extra artwork for this video. Please enjoy watching and I hope you like it.